build your own brush set. How fun is that?
I do like sometimes. I got it
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Whew, what a day. Such a fun day in the city. I wanted to share with you guys how I take care of my skin after a full day of events and different things going on in the city. I partnered up with Octoly and they sent me these products for free. If you don't know about Octoly, I'll have it in the description. But I got a chance to pick products that I would like to review, and I went ahead and I picked the Fresh Soy Cleanser. This cleanser is so nice. It takes off all of your makeup, even waterproof makeup. It just leaves your face so hydrated and just super nice and clean and fresh. Product just launched recently, and I was super excited about this because this is made with real strawberries. If you guys don't follow Fresh on Instagram, I made a whole trip and shared with you the entire process of making this product, so that was really cool. So definitely give them a follow. But I love this because it's super duper gentle on the skin and it warms up, which is really great for opening up pores and getting deep down. The next product is the Kombucha Toner. I love this one because this one definitely helps with anti-aging and premature aging from the pollution and smog and smoke that is filled in the city. So this one is really, really awesome to use, and I would absolutely recommend it if you guys are like me and pushing 30, because it's a strange time, guys. It's a strange time. Thanks again, Octoly, for sending me these products. And if you guys would like to pick up any of these, you can find it at the following stores on the screen. And if you would like to, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow me at ReeseBabe and at ReeseMUA. See you in the next video.